Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this small slat sign that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut the hanger off, and then I'm going to paint the whole thing with some white paint. I did the front and the back. And I made sure I got those edges as well. And I'm just using white acrylic paint. Once I have that all painted and it is dry, I'm going to take this buffalo check paper that I had, and I'm going to cut out just this end piece here. Once I have that all cut out, I am going to take some Mod Podge and lay it on my sign, and then I'm going to adhere the paper to it. So just put a nice even coat of Mod Podge on here, making sure I focus on those edges. Those seem to be where the paper likes to peel up. And then I'm going to lay my paper down and smooth it out. Make sure I get it centered. And then I'm going to lay it down and just smooth it out with my hands. Once that is fully dry, I'm going to sand off the excess around the edges. Just really quickly with my sander, just get all that excess paper off. And go all the way around. Once I have that all sanded off, I am going to take some twine and put a new hanger on. And I'm going to do it so that I can just tie knots right in the front. And then just pull it through, and then again tie another knot for a hanger. And then just cut off those excess pieces of twine. Then I made a twine bow, and I am going to put that at the top. So I'm just going to kind of figure out where I want it about. And then I'm going to glue that into place. Once I have that glued into place, I'm going to take these 3 sunflowers. And I got these, I believe it was at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to kind of set them on here and figure out where I want them. And then I'm going to glue those down, making sure that they're all evenly spaced apart. So I used the checks to do so. I did every 2 checks, I put one. And then that final one. And then finally, I'm going to add a yellow button to the center of the bow for my little final touch. And I think this turned out so super cute. It was really, really easy to make. And I love sunflowers and buffalo checks. It just looks so good together. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.